Welcome to Excel for Tally. In this video, we will see how to download Tally Prime for free and also how to create and delete the company in Tally Prime. First, open the browser to download the Tally Prime. After opening the browser, search for Tally Prime Download Free in search bar of browser. Go to third URL and open it. This is the interface to download Tally Prime. Now scroll down and search for the latest version or required version of Tally Prime. After finding the required version of Tally Prime, select it to download the setup file. Once the setup file is downloaded, open it to install Tally Prime. Select the Install option and wait until it gets installed. This is the interface of Tally Prime. Now you can enjoy your business accounting. Now we will see how to create company in Tally Prime. After opening Tally, select the option Create Company. Then start filling the details of the company one by one. After every completion of each detail, press Enter. After the company details are being entered, press Y to accept. Enable the options which you want according to your requirements. Now your company has been successfully created. Come, let's have a further look on how to delete a company on Tally Prime. Go to Company option on the left-hand side or just simply press Alt plus K. Select the Alter option in Company. Now press Alt plus D to get Delete option and press Y to accept the delete. See, now your company has been successfully deleted. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.